This is an aguachile. It's one of the favorite dishes to cure a hangover. And today I'm going to prepare my first homemade aguachile. Let's go and find the ingredients.
Makai beats.
We are in La Nueva Viga, which is the second biggest fish market in the world.
Makai beats.
We're going to buy shrimp and Aguachile. For this recipe we bought 1 kilogram of shrimp and half kilogram of Aguachile. And don't forget a cooler to keep fresh the shrimp and the Aguachile. We are in the Central de Abastos to buy cucumber, onion, lemons and chiltepín chile. The first step is to grind the chili with the salt and pepper. This process don't take too much. The second step is to squeeze the lemons to extract all the juice. We serve the lemon juice into the molcajete with the chili and the salt and pepper. It's time to split the Aguachile. I think that peeling the shrimp is the most difficult part of the whole process. Add the shrimp and stir well.
Yo creo que no mucho los así de arriba.
Estoy desperdiciando mucho pepino. The next step is to peel and cut the cucumber into squares.
No, pues bien.
So we need to cut the onion.
chavalón. Qué bueno. Bien, muchas gracias.
Mackay Beats.
For the final touch, we add cilantro and avocado. And is ready to serve.
Mackay Beats.
It is a delicious dish, and it is worth the time and the effort in the preparation.
Yo diría donde compras los de pescado. Venden unos bien picos.
No, pero no. No es una